You have enough. You have more than enough. But because you're constantly addicted to the new voodoo that I'm releasing, everybody wants to be on the bandwagon when a new thing pops out and they want to have a conversation about it. That's great. I mean, I ain't going to lie and say I'm not, thrilled to see people's interest in it, but it becomes, it takes on this, it's a distraction. And I created it, and I can tell you honestly, the way people take the things I release, they make it like, I don't know. I don't even know the word I'm looking for. It escapes me, but yeah, I guess it would be called like. It's called like, yeah. I'm just gonna be honest. That's what it is. Whenever I drop something new, whenever I teach something new, there's a large portion of our community that just goes berserk. and initially it's funny, yeah, but I can be honest and practical and tell you that as a teacher, as a mentor, I have so many more things. If I stayed around and kept releasing stuff, many of you would never settle in on just what you have and work with that because you think that there's something else out there. Look at that. I mean, he released a silver bullet. Look at that. It's perfect. It's time. I know when it's going to form. And for many, that was a big concern. Like, when does it form? When do these order blocks? What's the right order block? Because really what you're asking is, what is the setup that's never going to take a loss? And I can trust that it's going to move in the right direction that bias is indicating. Well, here's the thing. I only have things that go in a 90%. But there's 10% likelihood I'm going to fail at it. The trade won't go exactly where I want it to. It might go in a position or a trade movement that'll allow me to take profit. But it doesn't go always to my best case target. Now, a best case target is just that. It's best case. But I have conditioned myself over 30 years to take enough and be content with that. And then leave something there in the event that my ego and pride needs to have itself massaged. If it goes there, great. If it doesn't, I can cope with the fact that it can go there. That's a skill set that I had to condition myself with. And I teach it that way to you because I know a lot of you, especially the men, and many of them won't admit to this, but they can't take losing. They can't take missing a move. They can't take getting stopped out. If I get stopped out and the trade's still valid, you've watched me do this. You've seen me do it. If I get stopped out, okay, no problem. I'm going right back in again. I got 81 ways to get into it, and I ain't worried about it. I don't need my favorite song to dance. All I'm looking for is a reason to justify a trade still being valid. And that's all you're doing. But what is it that you're complicating it with? You're trying to bring everything. You're trying to bring everything that I've ever talked about, and probably some of the stupid shit that you bring in, like I tried to bring in when I first started. But I really like bull flags. I really like bull flags. I want to put this in. No. I lost money trading bull flags, even in bull markets. Where was I losing that at? When it would trade down into a BISI. Yeah. Look at them. Many times they look just like that. And I thought that they were bull flags. No. And when I would get stopped out, I'd be afraid to get back in because I thought it was a collapsed bull flag. That means it's bearish. No, the only thing it did was trade down into its inefficiency, into an order block. It shot past what would otherwise be viewed as initially a bull flag and then ran real quick. Well, at that point, I'm demoralized. What's going on here? I'm doing something wrong. They're teaching me the incorrect stuff, and I'm trying to do this, and I can't win. And then I would project that in my personal life.